Automating a customer onboarding is very straightforward. This type of automation allows sending all the information that a customer needs after acquiring a product or service. It also allows you to automatically send all the information needed for the customer to enable their account by themselves. Let's walk through the main steps of an onboarding flow. In this example, an email is sent to the customer with a welcome kit. It's personalized and includes a very welcoming message. It includes the documents and information needed to activate the account, support links, contact information, and everything the user would need to know at first. In addition, we have included a follow-up link that is included right here, where the user can access a form to attach more personal information or documents if necessary. Through web forms, users are allowed to complete their dossier by uploading personal documents with the possibility of registering an electronic signature for sworn statements, like we have done in this case, where we ask to accept and sign a service agreement. So all the signed documents are stored in a centralized repository, or they can be sent to whoever the organization seems appropriate. In our example, we're sending the file to the executive, attached in an email. Also, we're including here an external link to information about this process, just in case the executive doesn't know how to proceed. So your systems are always checking at every touch point to verify if the user actually completed the necessary steps. Otherwise, a reminder is sent to the customer with all the details about what's missing in their file. Again, you can design in your flow whatever is the maximum amount of time you can wait until this case has to be scaled to a human. If the document is still missing from a new client's personal dossier, you might want to consider a specific time frame before escalating. Here, we're sending the dossier, the missing information, to the executive after a period of 7 days. But it is possible to continue checking as long as necessary. This time, the email includes the contact information about the new customer and the external link so the executive can do appropriate follow-up. We can also decide to create a ticket in your help desk system. There are so many ways that you can move forward, because I would like to remind you that all of our automations are 100% configurable, and they are totally adapted to your needs in a matter of minutes.